guys, maganda lang ang ninyo guys. Kaya sa rin guys. Comment lang guys. At so, dire, lingkod kami yahay ba? Comment kung kita tapos kung sa amin mo gandel, kung sa amin mo pag-comment, kung gandel mo pag-comment gapon, basta ako sa amin ko. Ikaw ka gandel, grabe kay ka. Sammy is the best. I'm correct, Sammy is the best. Di alam mo kay di alam mo kay Jandel kay dili ko ganahan kit Sammy. Ay di ko ganahan kay Jandel, Sammy rako, Sammy is the best.
Sa iban ra gid iya.
Why do birds study appear every time you are near? Just like me, long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On that day
you were born, the angels get together and decide to create a dream come true. So the sprinkle on in your hair and goes to rain your eyes blue.
That is why all the girls in town follow me. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Sakit kayo. Ay, golden man, my favorite man.
Mabot ra gyapon ta diya. Ay kabalakan.
Kulsan,
Mabot ra gyud ta diya.
katungyo ako.
Mabot ra ta diya.
There's a kind of hush, hush little baby.
There's a kind of hush
all over the
world tonight. All over the world you can hear the sound louder than love. You know what I mean? Just the two of us and nobody else inside. There's nobody else and the feeling of there's only your time. So listen very carefully, get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a dream. The only sound that you will hear is when I whisper in your ear, I love you forever and ever. There's a kind of house all over the world tonight. All over the world, people just like us are falling in love.
Ay, wala ko pag-iabi. Nagbusa ako na niyo. Instrumental.
Instrumental.
So listen very carefully.
Get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a dream.
The only sound that you hear is when I whisper in your ear, I love you.
Forever, there's a kind of hush all over the world tonight. All over the world, you can hear the sound of loving it up. na gyud ni si Badiding. Ano man, kaka, ano man. Ano man, oh. Ning, tanawa ko kapatid sa mo nag-baby.
Ng Bear Brand. 840 grams, 300 pesos na lang. Ang Bear Brand.
Ayaw ba? Mailan matanan? Ang tiyan mo gauyog. Bye mga to. Bye mga pakiks cooks. Bulaga. Bye bye.